graceful good morning to all of you. I, Soham Shankar,
And I, Shreya Kunal, on the behalf of Mount Literacy School Muzaffarpur and the entire fraternity of the institution. First of all, extend our sincere thanks to the Almighty for making today's event a resounding success.
with His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. On behalf of my school, I extend hearty vote of thanks to our respected director, sir, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion.
Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events.
A special thanks to our respected chairman, sir, for giving us opportunity and guiding us.
A special thanks to our respected chairman, sir, for giving us this opportunity and guiding us.
Special mention to our respected principal, sir, Mr. Anthony Christopher David, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we also thank our loving viewers for their
I am immensely thankful to anchors for their effort toward and assistance, their own ideas and elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation. I also extend thanks to all the staff members for their enormous cooperation within the organization of the event.
An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details.
We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staffs of our institution who are well versed in their jobs.
I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Special gratitude to all the parents who graced this event. Now I would like to invite our respected principal sir, chairman sir and Isha ma'am to give our parents the Indian national flag on the behalf of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.